Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Yes, that's her in the background, baby Violet. So I'm going to show you guys how I make a quick layered fruit salad. You don't necessarily have to use the fruits that I'm using. You can use your favorite fruits. You can use bananas, you can use blueberries, raspberries, cherries, but I prefer to use these. And like I said, you don't have to use what I'm using. Now these grapes, they were very tedious to get the seeds out, so I had to do it off camera, but I'm going to show you how I took them out. I took them out with a knife so I don't destroy the whole grape. So I love to eat fruits with seeds in them, and if it doesn't have seeds, I'm not going to eat it, and you shouldn't either. So guys, this is where the fun starts.